following on from the conversation, you mentioned that it is right that these problems in the society are being raised and it's being identified. If you are out there shouting about these problems, you get tagged as feminist, as arrogant, as egoistic. So there are two classes of people. One, like yourself, who are willing to listen and accept this and change and so society for good. And there are the other people who give you the tag and don't even want to listen to you. How do you think a woman can raise these issues and help change the society without getting those taglines?
As I mentioned, the real problem is that in today's society, the women are not really acting like women. And the men are also not acting like men. Their roles, they're not able to perform their actual role. And that's why all these problems, as I said, everything has become so easy. There is no question of, women feeling that, why should we be dominated? The tendency probably is in today's society, a man comes back home tired. His wife also comes back home tired because both of them are working. And then they come home and the man demands that the wife has to cook. He doesn't consider that she is also tired. And that is what is causing the conflict. A child is born, the man doesn't want to take the responsibility because the mother is given birth to the child. The thing is that it's her responsibility. These are the problems in today's society. As I said, we should not think in a selfish way. We should rather try to feel for others. Then only we can have proper understanding, proper loving and caring relationship. You see, ultimately it's all a matter of relationship. See, if you love somebody, then you will go out of your way to do whatever you can do for that person. But if that love is not there, then out of the sense of duty, you won't be able to continue for very long. Say, for example, in the early days, what used to happen? A man had to till the land, grow food. Man had to go to the forest, cut the trees and bring the logs. A man had to fetch water and do all the hard work. And a woman used to take care of the household. The things are there, and the man used to come home tired after the day's toil. His wife was there, other female members of the family were there, who had the food ready for him. So that is how the society used to be very, balanced. Everyone was playing his respective role. And the families used to be joint families, the mother used to give birth to the child, but there were 5 other female members of the family who used to take care of the child. Mother didn't really have to care about the child so much. But that's not the case anymore. Both the husband and wife are working. She gets pregnant. She gets only 2 months leave before the delivery, and then she gets another month. So she doesn't have the time to take care of the child. She has to go back to work because unless both of them are working, they cannot actually maintain the family. And the child is practically left out. No affection, no love for the mother. And that is how, today's society is becoming very, very unfortunately leading towards a very undesirable situation. It's not that only the men are saying that, branding the women or accusing the women becoming, women's liber and so forth. The reality is many women are also, demanding their equal rights and so forth. But the thing is, why try for equality? Rather try to develop a loving and sharing and caring relationship. Does the child ever demand equality with his father? No, the father plays his role and the child plays his role. The husband plays his role, wife plays her role. So in this way, if everybody plays his respective role, then automatically the environment that we are living in will become very pleasant, very harmonious, and very soothing for everyone.